Hi, Brandon. So, yeah. I want to get a truck. Dude, I spent more time preparing this thing for trade-in than I have any other vehicle, because I want it to be as painless as possible when we show up.
It looks good.
I don't want it to be like, well, you know, why don't we just knock off a couple grand, because, you know, this is, you know, we did it sight unseen, and... Where are the running boards? How you doing?
Hey, your truck needs tires.
Are we doing this deal or not?
Not at 44, I can.
All right, well. That was interesting.
Told you about Ram.
3, 2, 1, fight off.
What's up, everybody? It's Mover Speed 6969. Just kidding, don't sue me. Today, finally, you saw what happened last time. It was not a good experience trading in the Yukon. Ordered a vehicle, it's in, expel, and the ceramic has been put on it. So picking it up today, taking delivery. So far it's been awesome dealing with this dealer, but you know my luck with dealers. So hopefully today is very smooth. I'm excited to share the new daily driver. I think you're gonna like it. It's awesome. I think it's one of the first ones in the country too. We are here, and there it is. Awesome. Look at it. Parked in a handicap spot though, that's not cool. Look at that. Look at that. Hellcat.
Oh, yeah. You got on ceramic wrap too?
Yep. Look at that.
Hey, your Slim is right here.
I'm here with Slim.
How you doing?
We're making a deal today, dude.
Yes, sir.
What did we get? What did we get?
We getting an SRT Durango, man.
Dude, look at that.
Look at that beautiful thing.
Oh, it gets it too.
Yes, sir.
710?
710, man.
Oh, this is so exciting. This is so exciting.
We had the Rainbow, Chrysler, Dodge, and Jeep.
I tell you what, after the experiences I've had, you guys are amazing.
Yes, sir.
This is awesome. Look at this showroom too.
Got a huge showroom floor.
Y'all got ETRXs yet?
Yep, one's right out there.
Really?
The white one.
Oh, we got to go look at that.
Yep, the guy's actually coming right after you to pick his up.
Oh.
Yep.
So you ordered it?
Yeah, the guy.
So y'all are real good about
100%
ordering stuff.
Yes, sir. Yep. So right when you ordered your Hellcat Durango, he ordered his. He's a repeat customer with us.
I'm about to be a repeat customer
100%.
too.
Yes, sir. I appreciate it, man. Appreciate that.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
That's awesome.
All right. Well, let me go and get your folder all squared away, man.
Yeah.
You got your driver license.
There it is. Look at that thing. Those wheels. Such a nice interior. Wow. Look at that. If I were gonna do a truck, it'd be this one. I don't argue at this point. The deal's too good.
Yeah, you're already doing it. Just to transfer your trade from you to us. Up to the showroom for your customer, Cody.
Slim.
Boss man, you ready?
Dude.
The man of the hour, baby.
Holy crap.
Both of the keys, man.
They're both red.
Yes, sir. Ready to go take a look, man?
Yeah, geez. We usually see we're doing it the other way. Wow. That was the fastest, most painless experience I've ever had, and I'm not just saying that. Look at this bad boy. We'll do a full breakdown when I get home.
What else product can actually beat this product right now?
That's amazing.
This thing is amazing. Thing's like a beauty, man.
Ah, dude. White.
Oh, yeah.
That white pops.
Oh, yeah, yes, sir.
I'm glad I did that.
Yep.
Nick did a good job.
Yeah, he definitely did.
Dipnotic. You gotta thank Dipnotic for doing. So they did ceramic and then they coated the hood and the front.
Put all of your rock chips.
Yeah.
All the inside look at this thing.
Oh, look at that. Red seat belts.
Oh, yeah.
Like a race car.
Yep.
Put my little water bottle there. Look at this thing.
Look at the accents, the marble finish on the
Oh,
door.
I know. Look at that. Look at this interior.
Oh yeah.
Let's
Got
see.
The suede roof.
Ah, dude, I'm glad I did the bench seat.
Oh yeah.
Because you know why? This is the dog mobile.
Oh yeah. 100%.
This is for the dogs
100%.
to hang out.
Yep.
Look at all that room they got.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
She's a beauty. She is a beauty.
What's in here? Tire?
No. So yeah, that's what you have, like your storage.
Storage.
That's all it
Okay.
is. Yep. Yep.
Wow. So I got a whole bunch of
Oh
storage.
yeah, 100%. So you can open that up. So you got your jacket right in here also.
Wow.
Yep.
Wow.
You have your 12-volt charger right here.
Yeah. Very nice. Look at that. Nice finish.
Also, if you
it's got the
wanted
toe kit, right?
Yeah,
they put
correct.
the toe. It's got
It's
a.
underneath this thing
receiver?
right here. Yeah. Yep.
And is there
Your
a button?
right here?
Okay.
You just press the button and it's closed completely.
Wow.
Oh yeah.
Dude, look at this accent.
That's why I said the marble
That's
finish
so
on top. If
classy.
you actually look right here where your cup holder's at, you actually got it right in the middle of it too, which is amazing.
Oh
On
yeah.
the side right here too.
Yeah.
Then you got your wireless charging pad, which is right there.
Oh, cool.
For your phones. Just the seats, man. The performance in the seats is just what
Yeah,
actually
these
what's
are
more comfortable.
these are really nice.
Oh yeah.
Suede inserts.
Got the supercharged logo.
Yeah. Well, let's look at the motor.
Oh yeah, 100%.
I need to learn how to close the doors better.
Just don't want to mess up the product.
I know. I'm like, I don't want to touch this.
Exactly.
Let's see. Guess you got to be careful because the expel's still curing. That nostril.
Yeah.
Oh my God! Yes.
Look at that beauty.
Look at that.
Oh yeah.
Oh, beautiful,
Supercharged.
dude. Look at that.
It's amazing.
That's great.
Look at all your pulleys, man.
Oh, I know.
That thing will pull.
Well, it's time to go.
Oh yeah.
It's time to go.
It's definitely.
I've seen enough. I have to. Okay. All right, man.
All right. I appreciate
Slim,
everything, man.
dude.
It
I
was a pleasure.
cannot thank you guys enough.
Yes, sir.
You guys, and y'all didn't just do this for me. Y'all
Oh, yeah.
do this for everybody.
Every order unit, sir.
Well, I told Mark, I'm like, you know, I got the YouTube channel.
Yeah,
he
yeah.
goes, "You got a YouTube channel?"
Right.
Like it wasn't because of the video or
Right,
anything. It was
right.
just because this is how you guys operate.
Customer service, man. That's what I say every dealership should be.
Wow.
Very easy.
Okay. Wow, it's got the trailer brake and everything. If there's a way to push the pedals out. Oh yeah. Look at that. Awesome. Press OK. That auto. Wow. Yeah. Nice. Shifter, aux jack. That is awesome. Heated steering wheel. Adaptive cruise. This thing comes out. Yes. Oh dude, this is like a NASCAR. It'll come out way far. Yeah. Awesome. Lights are in auto. Nice. Well, this is just cool. I mean, just awesome. This is awesome. Oh God. Oh no. Oh, that's awesome. That's so cool. This thing gets it. Oh, this gets it. This is cool. I love it. I love it. That's awesome. That is awesome. Oh, that's awesome. Oh, it gets it. Oh, it's awesome. Just incredible, incredible. And the interior is just amazing. Awesome. All right, let's do a cold start here. What do you think, Snipes? That's your new ride. You like it? Awesome. Heiser, what do you think, buddy? What's your new ride, man? It's fast. Well, I'm gonna say this. After that first, well, even not after the first, for any car buying experience I've ever had, this has been by far the best. I mean, there was really nothing even to film. I showed up, they had the purchase agreement done yesterday. They honored the purchase agreement. It was sign some paperwork and get out. I was out in maybe 45 minutes, and that's with a lot of BSing and just talking about cars and stuff like that. I'll throw the shout out. I mean, they absolutely earned it. And I don't think they did it because of the YouTube channel or anything like that, or the other video. I think that's just the way they do business. They would, you know, they would rather get a sale than lose the business. So, I mean, Rainbow Dodge, awesome group of people. I mean, it's my first Mopar / Dodge vehicle, and I'm a believer. You know, I think this is awesome. I want to thank Patrick Waligore with Dodge. I made a post on my Facebook right when I ordered this and asked if anybody worked for Dodge, and he stepped up and actually got this moved to the first batch of Durango Hellcats being built. So I thought that was really awesome. I really appreciate it. I'll leave a link to his Instagram. He does some race car stuff. He's a really cool guy. I can't thank him enough, and I'm just so happy. But this thing is just amazing. I love the interior. I think the red seat belts are awesome. The SRT, I mean, look at that high quality stuff. This is really cool, wireless charging, and then it's got wireless Apple CarPlay. Actually, just turn it back on. I'll show you some menus. I'm still getting used to it. My only real complaint so far is I miss my HUD. I liked having a HUD right there, and I don't think the pedals are adjustable. SRT, these are vehicle settings. So you go to SRT mode, it's got performance pages. Look at that. 0 to 60, 330, 1/8 mile, 1/4 mile, so it does all those specs. Excel and braking, it's got gauges. That's real cool. Dyno. Oh yeah. This thing has 710 horsepower, man. G-force, vehicle dynamics, that's pretty cool. Drive modes, I thought this was really neat. So I've got it in auto right now, which puts the transmission in street, paddle shifters on, all that in street. It's got a snow mode, tow mode, sport, track, eco mode, I guess, for getting better gas mileage when you go out. That's really cool. And then race options, active launch control, you can set that, put that up there. It's got a shift light, I guess, if you wanted to do that. Man, it's awesome. And then obviously, hold on, let me pull my phone out. Apple CarPlay, so you put that down there, look at that. There you go, blue means it's charging, and there you go. You got Waze, you got all this stuff. CarPlay, and it's got all your messages and all that stuff, which is awesome. That's really cool. So I love the interior. Checking out the exterior. Oh, Harman Kardon speaker system, and then also I've got a sunroof, which is nice. It's a nice day. Today would be a great day for the sunroof. But the biggest thing too, the options that we got, this is a bench seat, and I got the bench seat to give more room for the dogs in the back, which there's one of them. But it comes with a charger, a USB port. It's heated seats in the back. Good Lord. And then for what the dogs have, a little SRT on there. It's not quite as much room as what the Yukon had, but it's still pretty good. I mean, they'll be okay back there, and it's a lot lower, so they'll be able to get in and out better, or at least easier for me. And then this comes off. This is actually the trailer, the receiver. I got that option as well. So I'm happy. I mean, I'm just ecstatic. So, oh, and so I got Dipnotic. You remember them from my Corvette video. They've got ceramic. They did the ceramic, and then also we had Expel put on the hood and on the front bumper for rock chips and stuff like that to protect it. I'm gonna get some XL rock guards for, because you can see the tires stick out a little bit as well. So this will be daily driver car, man. It's just awesome. Really cool. Really like it. They did a good job. It's a short run. They only make it 2,000 for about 6 months. So these brakes, well, SRT, big rotors, really, really nice. Scorpion's all-season tires. I didn't get the track tires because this is a daily driver, so that's the only option I didn't get. Thanks, Patrick, for making this happen. Rainbow Dodge, you guys are all awesome. Really love this vehicle. Check out Life with Mover for more daily vlogs on this vehicle. This will be the only vlog covering this, but hope you guys enjoyed it. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.